Welcome back. You're about to hear why now's a great time to purchase or refinance a home. DHA Financial makes it easy to figure out your options with a no obligation rate, closing cost analysis, and $750 towards your appraisal fee at closing. And Danny Lingerman, CEO, joins us with more. Let's start off with rates. How are they doing?
They're doing awesome. Actually, since the Fed cut rates probably about a week and a half ago, you're looking at 30-year fixer at 3.5%, 15-year fix are sitting at 3%, and actually for our VA borrowers, we're able to get them into the twos right now, which is phenomenal.
I didn't even know you were going to throw out the two number.
Yeah, it's exciting.
That's pretty cool.
It's a great time right now.
This is a great time to just really, if you're going to refinance, go ahead, do it quickly, right?
Yeah, I mean, now's the time because you don't know when rates are going to head back up.
Right.
You know, I mean, by the end of the year, especially when you've got the holidays coming up, now's a great time to refinance. Or even if you're purchasing, give us a call. You know, with rates dropping and stuff, you still might be able to get a better rate than what you've already been quoted.
Well, let's go ahead and give them the number then, because I'm sure they want it. 303-217-5626. That's also 303-217-LOAN. Easy to remember, right? Okay, now let's also talk about helping veterans, because you are dedicated to helping veterans. You just threw out that two number for those VA loans.
That's right.
Talk about that.
So our veterans obviously have a soft spot in our heart, you know, as well as not only the veterans, but also the, you know, the families and stuff, because they go through a lot of stuff as well. So, you know, veterans are definitely, you know, at the top of our list, and whatever we can do to help them out as far as, you know, getting them into a VA loan. You know, that's the one thing that the government really does is they allow that VA loan to help the veterans out. And it's, to me, I think it's one of the best loans out there.
I love it. And especially when you come back with those rates, it's something like that. That's even better. Okay, let's talk about the special, because our viewers are listening. We've given them the number. It's super easy to remember. So what kind of special do you have for them out there?
So right now, I mean, if what we do is, if we can, you know, we get them approved and get them closed, what we'll do is we'll credit them up to $750 towards their appraisal. So we'll do what we can to, you know, to have them come work with us and give them as best of an offer as we possibly can.
I mean, I think anything that really just helps the process, because it's a daunting process for a lot of people who don't do it every day like you guys. I know for you, you're thinking, this is no problem, we can do this, we do it all the time. But if you're sitting there as someone who just purchased a new home, I still look at it and think, how many more forms do we have to fill out?
It can be
how much more stuff do we have to do? So this is what you guys need to do, is just call the number you see right here on your screen, 303-217-LOAN. That's 303-217-5626. It's super easy. Call DHA today and you can go ahead and start getting the process going for you. Now, let's also talk about seniors, because this is something as well. When it comes to the daunting process, it's not just first-time home buyers or veterans or anything like that. It can also be seniors who are sitting there going, I just don't know if I have the you know, the wherewithal to go through all this to do that.
Right, and we're going to make it as easy as we possibly can. You know, our seniors are definitely obviously important too. I think there's a stat out there where 10,000 a day are starting to turn 62 or older. So what we're doing right now is, you know, Blaze actually came on a couple of weeks ago, and he had a couple seniors that would call, and we're able to consolidate debt for them. We have reverse mortgages available as well for our seniors. So there's a lot of options out there as well to put them in a better position to where maybe if they haven't retired yet, we can help them get closer to that goal of retirement.
Well, everyone wants to get a little closer to retirement.
Absolutely.
I know I do. Let's get going fast. I think right now, talking about all of this, our housing market here in Colorado, especially in Denver, is hotter than hot.
Yes.
And when you talk about helping people get into that home, every little bit helps, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. It does. I mean, the one thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you're talking to someone like DHA that's going to be able to put all the documentation together for you and give you a strong approval letter. So when you do go to make an offer on to buy a house, that you're going to be prepared for it, and it's going to stick out. It's going to stand out above everyone else.
Well, you've got to give us an example of someone you've helped, because this is what the good stuff's about, right?
Yeah, this is the fun stuff. So actually 2 weeks ago when Blaze did go on, one of the clients that called us, it happened to be a senior, we were able to refinance a bunch of their debt, and we're going to save them over, I want to say it's over $1,200 a month.
Oh,
so
wow.
that is you know, when you're talking $1,200 a month, it's $12,000 a year. It adds up.
Oh my gosh, does it ever. All right, this does not go unnoticed. We saved the best to last. Also, Colorado local and family owned. That's important. If you have to make a choice, let's always make the local family owned choice, right?
I couldn't agree more. I mean, we're local right here at home. If you have any questions or you want to come and touch, or, you know, to make sure that we are real, we're right in the tech center, so it's an easy hop, skip, and a jump.
It really is. And here in Colorado, we like to go ahead and reward our own and everything like that. The phone number's right there on your screen. So go ahead, Call today, folks, at 303-217-LOAN. That's 303-217-5626. DHA will pay you, get this, $750 towards your appraisal fee at closing. Save money on a refi, get into your dream home, or just go ahead and manage your debt. DHA Financial has been serving Colorado families and veterans since 2001 with an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Again, here's the number, 303-217-5626, or visit DHALoan.com. They paid for today's segment.